Hi everybody, it's Amalia and I'm here today with the Smash Our Stash collab. This month's theme is sequins, and I keep this tower of sequins and doodads right handy at my desk, and I'm using these white sequins that kind of give off a pink color. I'm using these metallic sequins that come in all different type of metallic colors, and I also have these other sequins that are they're kind of translucent. They're transparent colors. They're greens and pinks and yellows, and they each come in three different sizes: a small, a medium, and a large. And I really like using them. I decided that since the theme was sequins, I decided to make shaker cards. I dug into my stash of backgrounds, and these are some watercolor crayon butterflies that I made, and I did a video on that. I'll link it up in the information box. And so I took out one of those. I dug into my Serendipity papers. Serendipity papers are just backgrounds made with all the leftovers from all the various cutting that you do with your designer paper pads, and I learned that from Lindsay Wyrick. So here's the cards that I made. I like the end result of the cards, but I still haven't found my sweet spot, my secret sauce to making shaker cards, and I don't know that I will. Here's my butterfly, my watercolor crayon butterfly. I used the transparent sequins in here to make this particular card. One of the things I do in making shaker cards is I'll glue a couple of the sequins down to the actual paper on the inside of the shaker piece. I don't know where I got that or why I do that, but I like the idea of them sticking in place for some reason. With this next card, I used these metallic colored sequins, and I really love them. They come in all the different metals, including gunmetal. And I have this little baggie of pumpkins and leaves and acorns, and I had it for a previous project, but I made a bunch of them and I saved them, and I keep using them on other projects. I decided to put them in my shaker for this project as well. Inside the shaker, I glued down an acorn, and you'll be able to see a pumpkin and a couple of leaves as well. This next one is made with the leftovers of the C'est La Vie collection from Recollections. I used up that entire 12 by 12 paper pad the last couple of years in the Show Me Your Sheet Load series. I used a gold glitter frame to encase the sequins because the card background has some gold in it, and the metallic sequins in the shaker. I also have these little Eiffel Tower table scatter, I guess they are. I don't know. Someone sent it to me. I can't recall who, but I've been using it up over the years, and I decided to add three of them to this shaker set. So there's three floating around in that shaker. This next card is a background that was a holiday 6x6 paper pad, the remnants of that paper pad. I couldn't even tell you the name of the paper pad, but not only did I use the metallic sequins, but if you can see, I used some little gingerbread men. There's also some flowers in there. This set, this gingerbread man, was part of a set that I got from Wow. It's an American crafts company. It had candy canes like this next card has. It had the snowflakes that I used up. It had, let's see, what else? Christmas trees. So it was a set of four. I've used up the snowflakes, but I still have plenty of candy canes, Christmas trees, and gingerbread men to use. I used the snowflake punch and some glitter paper to make the snowflakes that I put in the background. I mainly used my white sequins in here, but I also used some of the white and silver snowflakes that I had left over, and I added some Stampin' Up! Mica flakes as well to the shaker. I started making three more elements, shaker elements, from some stuff I had in my stash. I had these windows cut out. I had the watercolor backgrounds stamped and watercolored in, and I just had never used them. So I stacked five different windows together. I put a window sheet in between, and I threw some mica flakes and I sandwiched on the snowy background image, and it looks great. But I didn't complete a card because I didn't use sequins, so I didn't want to. I didn't want to finish the projects. Oh well, I'll have this in my stash for next time. Well, that's all, folks. These are my shaker cards using sequins for the Smash or Stash collab. Take a look at the description bar below. You'll see a lot of other people that are part of the collab, and check out their projects as well. If you like making shaker cards, leave a comment below, click thumbs up, and thanks for stopping by. Bye!